How to get old Discord layout back? Is it possible or not? As you know that in 2024 it appears that the ability to revert back to your old Discord layout is no longer available because the Discord has made the several updates to its interface, especially in your mobile devices. So these changes were designed to make the app more organized and better looking. So if you are looking for the old variant back of the Discord, so there is only way that you can get it back. So if you are in your mobile, then you have to go into your mobile browser and the Safari that you are using, and from there you have to go in the search and search for the Discord old APK, and it will give the old variant of the APK. So you have to make sure that you install the old variant of the Discord, and once you install the APK you have to download it and you are able to get the old variant back of the Discord. So that's how you can get the old Discord layout back. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.